Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we have seen what is if statement conceptually. Now we will see a program in which we are going to find it out a given number whether it is even or not, and that is to be using if statement. So here I am having one class called as conditional. Here I am having main method. Okay, here I am having number, and first of all this particular program will decide whether a particular number is even or not. Okay, if it is even, then it will print the message even. If it is not, then it will not do anything. Okay, so here I am having number which is 79. Now here I have used a condition inside parenthesis in the if statement. So what this if statement is saying? The statement is saying if number variable mod of 2, that means after division of number by 2, if I am getting remainder, and that remember if it is equals to 0, okay, then I will be printing that number is even. Okay, so basically right now my number is 79. If you divide 79 by 2, what remainder you will be getting? I will be getting a remainder that is 1, right? So 1, is it equals to 0? No. So in this case, this if statement is going to give me false. Okay, and as it is a false, will it print the system.out.println statement over here? No, it won't. So this particular program will give me no output. Okay, so let's try out. I'm just compiling the program. Then let's execute it. Basically I'm not getting anything because my condition itself is false. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my input. Now my input is 78. Now as 78 is a even number, so let's try out what it will give me. Compile, execute. So now I'm getting output that number is even. Okay, so this is what your if statement. Okay, in next video we are going to see what is if else statement. Okay, thank you.